Welcome guys, so today I'm with T-Mobile Phone Pro and I want to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, when you open the camera application, it will be in the photo mode. And right here we can find a few features. The first one, you can just tap on the screen and when this sun icon shows, you can decrease and increase brightness level by moving the slider up and down. When you click on the screen once, you will adjust the brightness level automatically. You can also use the zoom feature, so we can go between ultra wide lens and the normal lens. Also, when you click and hold the selected preset of the zoom, you will enable this slider so we can zoom in to the 10 times. And as you can see, the quality of this zoom, it's really good. I'm honestly surprised with the quality of this zoom. Take a look. That looks really sharp and with a lot of details actually. And the maximum zoom in this phone, it's the 10 times. When you want to go back for the normal presets, just click right here outside. And for sure, you can also still zoom in and zoom out by using this pinching screen with your two fingers. That's how it works. Okay, so the next tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here. When you click up or down volume button, you can just take photo, so we can treat them as a shutter. When you click in this place, you can add delay for your shutter between 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see in the middle on the screen, you can find the countdown. And right here, we can find filters. They change color and the temperature, so we can pick any of them. To get the original look, go for the first one and click outside to go back. Next, I'm going to show you how to get more details. You can go for the more modes and enable this max resolution mode. So we can take photo of this blue guy in front of us. Let's catch focus on it. And let's do the same, but with the normal photo mode. And we are going to compare this quality. Oh, let me just enable the auto rotation of the screen to show you with a preview of this photo. Yeah, so that's the photo taken with the normal mode, and it looks really nice actually. With the good lighting condition that we have in our office, it looks good. When we switch to the 50 megapixel mode photo, it was this one. Okay, I think that right here, that's also a lot of details, but we can zoom in a little bit closer. So I can recommend you to use this mode when you try to crop from the photos. Okay, let's go back and it's time to open the settings. As you can see in the settings, we can find other options. Oh, let me just catch focus on it. Okay, right now it's in the focus, I guess. Yeah, right now it is. So we can, for example, turn off the shutter sound, as you can see. Now it's out of the focus. I guess it's time to turn off the dark mode because it's not looking good on my camera. Let me just quickly make it right now. So let's go for the settings. It will be probably in the display and the dark theme. Okay, so it's not turned on. So that's how the settings looks. Never mind. So right here you can also enable the grid lines when you tap on this button, and you will find the lines on the screen. As you can see, they are appears right here, and basically they help us to take better composition on the photos. Okay, and that's all for the tips and tricks for this T-Mobile Phone Pro. There's nothing more interesting than I can show you actually, because the macro lens are useless, slow motion and the hyperlapse are very common modes, and there's nothing to talk about. Yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.